Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Hey y'all, wanted to hop on here real quick. I'm late. I apologize because I usually try to post at noon. But tomorrow's Mother's Day. Even though I don't have my mom, I do buy gifts for other moms. And of course, it's CB's birthday. So I've been running around trying to make sure I've got all the details. And thanks to my youngest for helping me for doing that. I think I have everything for right now. There's going to be some things afterwards that I get him that I won't be able to show him for his birthday. But anyway, I just want to get on here and introduce the video that I am getting ready to upload. So I'm going to show you clips of me looking for shoes for him. He did say specifically that he wanted basketball shoes. Well, I didn't get the basketball shoes. I did get him shoes, but I am going to go back and get him another pair of basketball shoes. And I did buy him a few other things. Hopefully I'll be able to capture that on his birthday. Also tomorrow, which is Mother's Day, we're gonna have a surprise visit. So I had a call from someone who's very dear and near to our family, our circle. He's a previous attendant for CB when CB was in school. And he mentioned that he and his wife had moved away, and he wanted to come by and see us. So I am going to capture that as well. Whether that will be in the Monday's video, I don't know. There's going to be so much footage. I'll probably just kind of span it out through the week so I don't bore you guys. But you'll definitely get to meet him. So I'll introduce him, and I think his wife is coming as well. So I'll be able to introduce both of them. So I hope all the mothers out there have a wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day. And I don't plan on doing anything. Matter of fact, I think my youngest is going to cook for me, which I'm fine with that. So I'll share my meal with you guys as well. So have a great Saturday, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.
Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.